In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel chart as an image. If you've ever wanted to share a chart without sending the whole workbook, or you need to drop a clean visual into a presentation, email, or design tool, saving the chart as a standalone image is the quickest way to go. Before we begin, make sure your chart looks the way you want it to appear in the final image. Titles, labels, legend, colors, and size. The image will reflect exactly what you see on the sheet. So a quick polish now saves editing later. Also, remember that the on-screen size of your chart influences the exported image's clarity. If you want a higher resolution look, slightly enlarge the chart first so lines and labels remain crisp when shared. Start by pointing your cursor at the edge of the chart and right-clicking the chart's border. Aim for the outer frame, not the plot area or an axis label. You'll know you're on the right spot when you see the whole chart selected with sizing handles around it. If you're using a trackpad or a device that doesn't have a right click, use a two-finger click or press the Control key while clicking to open the context menu. This step tells Excel you're working with the chart object itself, which is important because the Save option is attached to that border. From the context menu that appears, choose Save as Picture. Depending on your version of Excel, the wording may include an ellipsis, like Save as Picture, but it does the same thing. Selecting this opens your system's Save dialog and prepares the chart for export as its own file, separate from the workbook. In the Save dialog, choose where you want the image to go, give it a clear file name, and pick the format that best suits your needs. PNG is a great default because it preserves sharp lines and supports transparency around the chart area. JPEG can work for smaller file sizes, though it may slightly blur fine details. If your version of Excel offers SVG, that's excellent for scalable graphics that stay sharp at any size. Once you've chosen the destination and format, click Save. It's a good idea to open the saved file right away to confirm it looks correct. If it seems small or fuzzy, return to Excel, make the chart a bit larger on the sheet, and repeat the save process for a crisper result. That's all there is to it. Right-click the border, select Save as Picture, then choose your destination and format. Thanks for watching and happy charting!